Hi everyone and welcome back to a new video. So today's video is going to be an Amazon haul. So I did purchase a lot of stuff, especially during the quarantine, and I would like to share with you what all I bought from Amazon. So let's get on with the video. Alright, so guys, this haul contains a lot of household products, house decor products. It also has some equipment like for my tripods, everything. So it has a mix of everything. So let's begin with the first product. So the first thing I have right now, because I've just kept everything in front of me, so whatever, I'm just going to grab one by one each and everything. I will also mention the name of the product in the description box. So the first thing is this is a diffuser. This is by the brand Tourmaline. So I do have the hair dryer of the same brand, so I did want a diffuser because of late I like that diffused look, because I have wavy hair but I like to scrunch it and use a diffuser to get those loose waves, which usually comes the second day, not that day when I wash it, but I like that look. So I bought this is how the diffuser looks like. It's so big, you can see compared to my face, it's so big in size. So I do like it to diffuse my hair if I have to diffuse it. So yes, this is the first thing. Alright, so the next product is an iron. So I wanted a new iron for the longest time, so I went on Amazon to check for irons, and I found this by Bajaj. This is a steam iron by Bajaj. It is, I mean, I've not used the steamer yet, but otherwise it's a very good iron. It was like for some 900 rupees or something I got this, so I really like this iron. Alright, so now the next product is a wall sticker. Now when I saw this wall sticker, I was like, it's so me. I'll just show you how it looks. So I do like the face with the eyelashes, and it says, and I got this very cheap, it was for some 175 or something. Like, the next thing is these they are called as flow pillows, and I really like this tropical print that it has. So I did pick up two of these. So here, so I did pick up two, and I bought it to keep it like mostly on the floor if I'm sitting on the floor, or on my chair, just as a support, to sit on. So this was also quite well, not that expensive. It was on 300 or something it was. So I really liked this seat pillows. Now guys, the next thing I bought is this. This is a facial sauna. It's also called as a vaporizer. Basically, the only reason I bought this is to take steam, because of the COVID situation and all. It's very good to take steam. So it does come with 3 attachments though. I can't find the third one. One is this large one for your face, like to put your full face in it. One is just for the nose, like only here, and there's a smaller one which is more concentrated, but I can't find that anywhere. And this is the main part where you need to fill water, and here you just put your attachment on it and you can just take steam. Alright, so next guys, this I'll just show you in the box, because I had ordered some photo frames because I was planning to redo my room, but I could not print out any pictures because the photo galleries are not open. So this is the photo frames. They come in a pack of 12 frames, so there are different sizes, but just to inform you guys, the frame is of plastic, it's not wood, it's like a very light plastic. So this I got it at a very good deal. I think it was some 900 or 1000 rupees for 12 frames. So I have left it in the box that it has come in, because I have not been able to print out any pictures to hang it up. So now the next thing I have here is this is a pair of slides, as they call it, and I really like this pair. It's like so comfortable to wear, and it's one of my favorite slippers right now. I've already been using it. I just wanted to share it on this video. So I did pick up this color in black and I got it for like around $2.99. Alright, so if any I'm sure people who know me know that definitely there will be some makeup item in this haul, and if you were thinking that there's going to be a makeup item, you are right. There is one makeup item, that is this palette. This is the Makeup Revolution Cami X Revolution palette, and it is the most colorful palette I own. So this is how it looks. I've created this eye look with this palette and I really like this palette. I honestly feel that if you have this palette, I'm sure you'll be able to survive with this palette. I'm just showing you this needs some neutral shades, which a lot of palettes do have. So I think this is a very nice palette that you need to have in your kit, whether you're a makeup artist or a makeup enthusiast, which I'm both. So I really like this palette. Now I have the next thing is this is the Mamaearth hair. This is the onion hair serum. This is for frizzy hair, which mine is. And initially when you use it, if you have used the hair oil, the Mamaearth onion hair oil, this smells exactly like that, but the smell does not stay on the hair. If you think that the smell is going to linger on, it does not. So I really like this because it does tame my frizz down, and yeah, so I think it does what it says. So I really like this product. Now coming to the next product, this is something I was searching everywhere and I seen this brand called Plume have it. So this is a makeup sponge, as you see, like a holder. So I'll just show you. I have two of this. So this is a brand new one and this is the one I'm using. So when you have your makeup sponges which are wet, you should not ideally keep it in the open because it will just collect all the dirt and dust, everything. So this kind of a silicone sponge holder has these holes here which allow air to go through, which will also dry your sponge and keep it clean. So this is how it is. So you just put your sponge here and you can just keep it like this. So I like to store even my dry sponges in this silicone holder, as you say. Now the next product is, now we all are always on the computers or your phones or tabs. So I had to buy these glasses. These are meant to wear when you are watching a movie, when you are on the computer or on the phone. So these are those anti-blue light glasses. So I did buy these oversized ones. So I do like the print that it has. It has these tortoise print. It's called tortoise print actually. So I do like that print. So I do use it, not very often, but I try to use it how much I can. Now I did want a tripod, like I wanted those small tripods when I want to like record smaller videos or on my phone. So I ordered one first. So I ordered this one first. Honestly, the quality is not very good of this. I had one earlier the same kind and it broke over from here, so I bought another one, but I was not very happy with the quality. So I was looking for a better quality tripod. So this is also from Amazon, but I found this one by the brand of Digitech. So this is how it looks, and what I like about this is, even though it's like smaller in size, it does have these it does have these it does have options to increase the length of the tripod. So I did like the quality of this one. It does look, but the quality is much better of this one than that, so I'm quite happy with this one. Now coming to the last few products left, this one, this is to mount your phones or cameras, mostly phones actually. I'll show you. So this is my phone, and you mount this on your tripod, and then you put your phone on it. So if you are recording for YouTube, you will put your phone like this, increase or you can decrease it, and you will put your phone like this for when you are recording for YouTube. But if you are recording for Instagram, then you will turn this, bring it to this angle, tighten it behind here, and then you can keep your phone like this. So this is a very useful tool if you are into doing videos, and you can just bring the small tripod and this mount to mount your phone, and then that's it, you don't need anything more. Now another product which I've been loving to use is aloe vera gel. So I was checking on Amazon and I saw the Aroma Treasures aloe vera gel, and I did pick it up. This is a 500 grams tub. It is a nice huge big tub, and you get it for like around 300 or so. So I really like this gel as well. So I like to use it on my hair, skin. I mean, it's so versatile, you can use it anywhere, and it is very useful. I like to keep a tub of aloe vera gel always as a backup. You may never know when you need it. Now coming to the next product is something which I feel every girl should have. I mean, at least in their collection, I feel that. So at home I like to wear a sports bra. So the one that I've been using right now is from this brand called Fruit of the Loom, and the one that I have here is, I bought it from Amazon. This is how it looks. It is actually, if you can see, it is a cross back, and I have it in 4 colors. So this is a black one, then I have this in nude, this is in white. So this comes so useful, you know, sometimes if you just want to put something in and just put a top on. So, and the last one, this one is in black and gray, and they are very affordable. I think they were like 200 or 250 something. So I really like this, and I will definitely stock up on these, especially for daily use. The next few products, one is behind me. If you can see that yellow table there, that is from Amazon as well, one of the cutest purchases that I've made. So I'll just show you those in some right now. Okay, so this is the table that I bought from Amazon. It's this yellow side table, and even the rug that is there below, this rug is also from Amazon. The only thing about this table is it's a little small in size, but it looks so cute with this rug. So another thing is this mop. So this mop, if you can see, it has like a bottle here where you put in the water, and it has a spray on top. So you spray the water, it comes out from here, and you can just clean the floor. So you can spray and then clean it. Also to mention these plants that we got from Amazon. So my mom wanted some plants from Amazon. So first I bought this one. It's called as a snake's tongue. So I bought this one first, and then I bought the ones in the white pot. The ones in the white pot, it comes in a set of four different types of plants. I'm not sure of each of the names. If I find it, I'll put it in the description box. But they look so pretty and so cute. And the only issue is that with this one here, this is also the same kind of the snake's tongue, but this is a different kind of variation. The only problem with this was that when it came, if you see, it is slit in between here. So I did complain to them about it, and they gave me a full refund. Alright guys, so I forgot to mention about this. This is a mobile and a tablet holder. So I bought it for my tab, and how you do open it is you just open this, fold this, and then separate this. So this is how it becomes. This is how you can put your tab on it, and you can adjust how you want the tab to be. And this is also something which I want to mention. I did bring this quite some time back, but this is the noise earbuds. This is how they look, and I use them with my tab. I connect them via Bluetooth, but it is so long lasting. You charge it once and it will last you for a very long time. So this is one of my favorite I can't do with kind of product. So yeah. Alright guys, so that was it. That's all I got from Amazon, and I hope you liked the video. Hope to see you soon for the next one. Bye bye.